Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Runway ML for social media content creation. So go ahead and open it up and you're going to be able to see the interface. And go ahead and click the plus button so you can create generative sessions. Act 1, meaning that you add your own image and then animate it, or video to video. And video to video means that you upload a video of yourself recorded live and then animated using one of the styles that they provide from the app. Okay, so as you can see right here, you will see animations and the act-ons. If you click the plus button right here, or act 1, excuse me, you're gonna be able to see right here pictures already set for you. If you want to generate animation for that picture, you could just go ahead and select the picture and then hit generate if you have enough credit, right? And basically you have the generative sessions. Let me close this window, click the plus button right here, generative session, and you can add your image or video and then add a prompt, right, to describe the shot, right? And then hit generate at the bottom right, so you can generate a image or a video that resembles something, right? If you collect your library, you're gonna be able right here to see an example. I did 2, right? And you're gonna be able to see right here the video. If you just waited for a few moments, you're gonna be able to see the video appearing. If you want to reuse that video, right, you can just go ahead and hit reuse, so you can prepare generation to be reused. Let me close this window, reopen it again because I don't want to do that now. But basically you can go ahead to your library and select the video, and then if you like what you see, you could just go ahead and click the 3 dots to share it, right, across social media. Or you could just go ahead and save the video to your library, right, and then go and post it on social media. So basically that's it. You have one of those 3 options: generative sessions, add your image or video, and then add a prompt to describe your shot. And the act 1, you have already set templates of photos and videos, so you can animate it. And you have video to video, which means you record your video live and then click add style to add your own animation style for that video. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.